Hakani ke Jingshna iki maran nela kai ke berna polo leidon lang uba LM Sawian jong Meghalaya Football Association ki he officer sarkar bat ki bagi hak ba ki lepet ke rukom shna bat ke rukom pen kre iki ni ki jakai la kai khnang baginong la kai ki ni oban penan kam ki ni ki madan U Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bagjengte iaka Jawaharlal Nehru Sports Complex kalayat stat bha hakbalade bru banbet ik sembai plang ha kening madan balashnaru ik jaka syong ki batmai kenang ba nyam kambon kinong petkai ke ban kot adu lai pho hajar ngut Ulakmi lenti baha unai wiang mantagasnam anyo ban pleno iaka Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium hadian berada banshna ke madan nelakai berkumjo ya track and field na gebenta kinong maria Ulong basisen berada banshna ke stadium on la ban penlong ikijinga ko bapher ha ke kamadan yela kai
and from the looks of it work is going on at very good speed and as you can see the football ground will now be a natural turf. All of the seeds have been sown and we expect the field now to the football field to come up with the natural turf. At the same time, as you can see, we also have new stands that are coming up, which will then enhance the overall seating capacity of the stadium. So we expect maybe close to about 30,000 capacity to be there in this field. And the entire arrangements and the way the work is going on, we are going to meet the FIFA standards, and hence this particular stadium and field, the football field especially, will be at par to host any international games in the future. Apart from that, the stadium also will have full facilities for athletics, and hence we'll have the track and field as well as long jump and high jump and other disciplines also, and hence even the quality that's being maintained here for the track and field also are top of the line. The track and field also are top of the line. So we expect that this particular stadium should be completed within this calendar year. We're expecting that by November end and December first week that we should be able to complete and inaugurate this particular stadium completely renovated. So we are very excited, and once this is complete, as I mentioned, we expect that we should be able to host a large number of events and even international events in the future.
Menteri Rangba ha ke Leit Jurip ekamadan first ground ulapan pau balada ban siang ya uplang AstroTurf bat gabasa menta gadai satang ban ber gijri lengkot bat kibai Jingshna ya kijaka syong bat Jingshna penhe ekane kajaka elekai Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulak midenti baik ni kam baro on pendap no ha unai tung mentagasnam bat nado unai lar bat nai lur on yo ban penele kai no ha kani kamadan Udaong bagi sarkar kan pai kemat ruj ki madan nela kai kibadan hakisnong kitau berengkat gajinge trailang bar kem lang salang bat kinong lam snong onele ban snapan bahai kini kijaka ki bagi kena bagi samla ke la kai Udetho bah kanong ba shalong ladap ban itho ya kisan tadi kijaka ban siang ya uplang AstroTurf bat chen on sa sedang no ekane kam nang bagi kena kenyo ban practice bat ban la ban sei ya kinong la kai ki bakensai
So now we are at the third location, which is the indoor stadium that is coming up, a multi-purpose indoor stadium, which when completed will be the largest multi-purpose indoor stadium in the entire Northeast region. And this particular indoor stadium will have all facilities from basketball, indoor basketball, squash, badminton, multi-purpose halls for table tennis, volleyball. So all different kind of activities will be possible here, and most of the disciplines, when we combine all the three stadiums, we'll be able to see that we'll be able to cover most of the major disciplines that are there. And even with this very standard and state-of-the-art indoor stadium, we'll be able to in the future host national level tournaments as well as international level tournaments also. So the work is going on at full speed. Of course, the foundations are just being laid, as you can see, but this work will take a bit more time. So we do expect that this also will be completed soon, but I'm happy to see the progress of the work. And once these kind of infrastructures throughout the state come up, this will be a great blessing and an opportunity for the youth of our state who are very much into sports. and I'm hopeful that facilities like this will give them opportunities to really pursue and really be able to come up in the different areas of disciplines that they have so much passion for. So we are happy with the work, and we would like to congratulate the team who's working on this, and at the same time would like to urge them that we should ensure that all the projects